Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello friends, today I'm going to ask you a question. Math? Okay. So, do you like maths? Maybe no? Yeah, it is a natural reaction. But I love maths because first, there is nothing actually to memorize in maths. Second, we use it daily in our lives. And the most amazing thing about maths is there is a solution to every problem, but not in your real life. Yeah, and your so I think if this maths come in a form of a video game, it will be more fun, isn't it? Maybe. So today we are going to make a game in Scratch. That will be Sprite will be asking you some questions, I mean numbers, and you have to add it, and you could change it to subtract, multiply. But in my ones, it will be, you know what? So, yeah. So let's start our game. So first of all, we will just delete our cat that is known as Sprite, and we will make our main Sprite. I mean, we will just choose our Sprite, right? You could choose, and we could just do anything you want. And you could actually made it, or you could even upload it. Yeah. So first of all, I need like kid. Let's make it kid. So there is nothing like kid, but it's like something like Sheha. So open it and let's make it our background. So actually I'm going to upload it because I have this one. I love this one because it's more suitable for that, and I have searched it from the Google, so you could also do it. Okay, so we are back to the Sprite. So let's just make it more pretty. So like let's color it like that, like red, color it reddish, red, and like this. And let's make its color also, and we will just change its little bit, like green is it's like here, and let's make it like arm, right? Sometimes there is something way in the arm, and let's just make it like this. So this is our guy ready to ask you questions. So okay, so let's just make it more pretty, like coloring green in the shoes. And I want one more thing, that is I will just select it and then just make it like this, because it will be more fun. It will be like shadows in the knees. Sometimes it happens like when the sun is at the down and you are at the top. Sometimes very less, because you don't wake up at that time. So we will need this, and we are done with our sprites. So we will need, when click this, I mean when click the flag, then we will need, okay, so first let's make it little bit here, like thing. Yeah, okay, and we will need forever loop. First we will have to make variables, easy as a pie. You have to just do four question, variables. So that is question, quest, and correct and wrong. That is question, quest, and correct and wrong. And sorry, yeah, question, and we will need quest, and correct, and wrong. So these are our variables. Now we will need like set correct to 0, and we will just need like 2, and just like we have to do it wrong, because it will be always wrong will be 0 and correct will be 0, and we will just have to remove this from the screen, that is quest and question, like this here, and like this here. And we will need, like when click this, we have to show it, right? But sometimes it's just hide, right? So we have shown it. Now we have to just do like it will be asking. So first of all we will have to do this same again 2 times, but here it have to be question. It will be your chance, because it will be like, if you do it like question and then question, it's okay, and if you do question and question, it will be also okay. So now we will need pick random to 1 to 10. So it's will be very easy. So let's do it 200, and here it can be 100, like that. Yeah, it's nice. And then we will need the sprite to ask you, right? So ask what's your name, but we will not need this. We will need ask join apple banana. So we will change it, so it have to be like this 2 times, and we will need a plus like here, and we will need the symbol. You could just drag it like here and like question here. So it's just asking. You see this is happening, and let's do it wrong. Nothing is happening because we have not got it. Yeah, now this is all. Now we have to code it for wrong and right. So we will need, let's just do it like this. Yeah, and we will need if else statement. Else, it's like below the if statement. And then we will need if answer is equal to, like there is nothing answer, but it have to be blank, is equal to, and then 50. And we will need plus, and you have to change its symbol when you do this. If you do it like minus here, you have to just change it to like this, but in mine it have to be plus like this, and like this. Yeah, and we will need answer. So answer is possible here only because there is nothing like you couldn't write answer and then do it, but you could just find this answer from the sensing motions block. So now we will need question and then quest. So question here and quest here. There is nothing, of course, like this one, right? So question is top and quest is in the bottom. Nothing difference, no difference actually. And now we will need, it's like that. Now we will need to do like if answer is equal to quest plus question, then it's happy. So it's happy, so there is nothing to say it's happy. So we will just have to say it like change correct by 1, and we will say nice job. So good job, it have to be like good job. So we will say like hello 2 times, but we will not say this, but we will say it, of course, in 1.20 seconds. It's your thing. Yeah, and we will have to say it great or great job. Now job, G-O-B, job, and we will just make it like this. Yeah, for good job. If you tell it correct, so if you tell it wrong, nothing will happen, right? And so we have not coded, right? So we will need change correct by 1, but we have to change it by wrong. Sorry. And we need like blink and unblink, blink and blink. It's your, because sometimes there is some signal that it's blinking and said that there is an error like that. So we will do it here also. So we will have to go to looks, and we will need show hide, and we will just have to put it here. And wait 1 second, let's make it like something like 0.2. Is it like that? Yeah, 0.2 it's too less, so let's just make it like 0.5. yeah, and then we have to just duplicate it like here and like this 2 times, and we have to fill it again like this, and like it was 0.5, so like this, and everything nice, very nice. So let's see what happened is we do wrong. So it's blinking, you see this, it's blinking 2 times only. So let's make it 1 more time, why not, right? It will do it now 4 times, literally 4 times. if wrong. Yeah, we have to just make one more signal like 0.5 here also. Now let's see. Ding. And it's like error. Oh my goodness, so many times it's saying like that. Oh no. Okay, so this is all, and now let's just do something more. Like we have done it, say good job here. Okay, let's do it right. So its answer is 180. I mean, sorry, 181 maybe. Yeah, 181. So it's saying good job, great job. I mean, good job. Yeah, great job. And we will need like here we have to say it like say this for dash seconds. So let's make it like something like 1.20 again, or 30, like this. And yeah, like this. So hello, not hello, but oh no, wrong answer. So let's say wrong answer only, or let's say oh no, right? So it will be more better, right? Or no, I don't know, like this. Oh no. So let's make it wrong again. Oh sorry. So here it have to be like this. Oh no. So this is all. Let's make it nice answer. So 59. Its answer is 59. If you want to make it more challenging, you have to just do these numbers. I have selected 200 to 100. You could just do anything, right? And you see, oh no, and it's blinking. So it's blinking so many times. Let's just make it like this. It will blink only 2 times. So let's make it one more time. Let's do it like this much. Okay, one time, not blinking. Okay, so now I'm going to play this game that I have made. So let's see, let's start it. Oh, nice name. Question like 1, its answer is 152. Let's see. Yeah, we have done one more right. I mean one right. And now let's see its answer. Let's do it 1, 2, and I mean 3, 0, and like this. Yeah, it's nice. And yes, we have done one more right. Now maybe like 63 or 50, 35. So 6 is equal to 6, and 3 is equal to 9, and 5, 3 is 8. So yeah, here. Yes, another right. Let's do it wrong, like FG. Oh, it's wrong, sorry, and it's blinking, that is error. And let's play it one more. So 6, 1 is equal to 1, I mean 2 and 2, and 8 is equal to 3, and then 6. So let's see, is it right answer? Yes, it is right. So let's do it. It's the most easiest. Just 44. Right? Yeah, it's 44. Yeah. So this is what I have made. So bye bye. And if you like this, actually I'm going to tell you its varieties. Actually, it's very nice game. I mean, it's like a game. It's actually not a game. It's like manufacturing your own games like type of. And don't play those games, silly games. Just make your own games and just play. It's more fun and very fun actually. And there are some complicated options here, like make a block like that, like this, right? So play it and see you in the next video, or tomorrow. Yeah, next video. So bye, see you.